And what do you see on top?
40.
A curvy. So we have a straight and a curvy. Go ahead and try to make R. With your straight line down, come up and give it a curve.
I did it.
Let me see. Oh, Brenda. Good job for fixing that, Daisy.
Look at my name. Shannon.
Okay.
T
Ready?
T
Ready?
O N.